All right, here we go. So we're working on the mountain region, and just as a reminder, remember there's no white space, and whatever I draw over here should give me the idea that it is the mountain region, no other region from there. So we're using those physical features to point out what we know about the mountain regions. So what I'm going to do, obviously, we need some mountains. So we can do like so. And then I'm going to actually do one that's out, and it's going to give it the idea that it's behind those mountains that are there. And you can do as many as you'd like. And generally, you should have red. Up at the mountaintops, snow still accumulates and stays there. It takes a long time for it actually to melt. Or even if it doesn't melt, it creates that glacier kind of format, even though a glacier is moving at all times. That's what categorizes it. But I'm going to draw some snow on the top of these mountains. And there we go. Then what was another feature was the trees. So I'm actually going to just put like a tree here and a tree here. And I'm just making like little lines because that's like the easiest thing. Do know that once you get up to the very top of a mountain, you don't really find as many trees. When you get to a lower elevation, you don't find that many trees either. So you sort of want to put them in this middle area here. And you can put as little or however many as you want. And I'm just going to do those for right now because I want to really use my green colored pencils that I have this time as more of the color. Then give it some depth. We have like the grassy area. You can even, if you want, do some sort of river maybe going through because you have that melt off, so it gets slightly bigger as you're going off the mountain as it flows down. So you have that. You can draw an eagle that's in the sky, something like maybe this, and just some wings, not all of it. There you go. Maybe some cloud coverage, depending on what season, of course, but we will add that, and maybe a little darker of a sky as we go on. You can go ahead and draw maybe the animals that you know that are found or resources that you can get from this area. But just to add a little bit more, I'm going to attempt to do a small that's not very good. Looks more like a bunny, Mrs. Nunes. A small bear. And there we go. So I'll just add a little bit more. Now, you can feel free to choose whatever you do as far as physical features or what you know about the mountain range there or region. And let's go ahead and color. And there we have it. We have the mountain region. So, my geographers, I can't wait to see your region.